As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Char-Broil Performance Series 4-burner and the Weber Spirit 2 E-310, both gas grills, right?
Yep, let's dive in. The Char-Broil is propane, and the Weber is natural gas, so that's a big difference right off the bat. Do you have a natural gas hookup?
Good point. I don't, so Char-Broil might be better for me since it uses propane. What about size?
The Weber has 529 square inches of cooking space, and the Char-Broil has slightly less at 475 square inches. So Weber wins there, but not by a huge margin.
Okay. What about burners? Char-Broil's got 4 main burners, and the Weber only has 3. Does that mean it heats up faster or more evenly?
Potentially, but the Weber boasts its GS4 grilling system, which is supposed to improve ignition and heat distribution, so it might even out. The Char-Broil also has a 10,000 BTU side burner, which is nice for warming sauces.
Oh, a side burner is a plus. Does the Weber have one?
Nope, no side burner. But it does have porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, which are supposed to be really durable and retain heat well. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast iron grates too.
Okay, so similar grates. What about the overall build?
The Char-Broil weighs a hefty 85 pounds, while the Weber is listed at a crazy low 0.01 ounces, which has to be wrong. I'd assume the Weber is lighter, but that number is definitely off.
Yeah, that's definitely a typo. So, price-wise, the Char-Broil is around $370, and the Weber is about $570. Quite a difference.
Definitely. You're paying for the Weber name and its GS4 system, plus it looks like it is built a bit more robust.
Okay, so if I'm on a budget and want a side burner, the Char-Broil seems like a good option. But if I want a slightly larger cooking area, and the natural gas is an option, the Weber's worth considering, even though it's more expensive.
Exactly. And don't forget to factor in whether you prefer propane or natural gas. That's the biggest deciding factor, really.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.